Often in this industry, managers inside the office will be having multiple hats. So for me to be able to get out and do ride-alongs was sometimes difficult. So having Rilla and being able to have basically do a virtual ride-along and getting the real-time feedback back to the sales guys relative to objection handling instead of waiting for a meeting the next week or, God forbid, it's 2 weeks, has been absolutely beneficial.
It has benefited us like crazy. It's really about being able to hear yourself again. And just from examples of other technicians that I've seen with Rilla, the numbers increase. It allows you to start caring a lot more about what you're saying and a lot more about what you're selling to the customer.
Since we started with Rilla, our conversion rate has increased in 14%. And average sale has increased in about 20%. And now I am able to at least do 35 ride-alongs a day.
I could be anywhere with any of the technicians at any time. As long as they hit the record button, I can help them out and know what's going on.
The technicians that have been using Rilla get excited about this because they see their numbers going up. This is part of what it's all about, taking care of our customer, taking care of our families, and with these numbers, technicians are able to take care of their families.
Without Rilla, you kind of get complacent in the idea of there's nothing that I can do any better or whatever, and you kind of just approach every call with that mindset. And with Rilla, there is a level of consistency where it holds you accountable, making sure you're going through all the steps, making sure you're doing the process.
Imagine an NFL team that wouldn't be able to watch the replay on Sunday. How would you know what aspects of the game to get better? It's the exact same principle. It's really, really, like I said, a huge tool. It only benefits you. There's no negative. There's no downside to it. There's nothing that it's going to ruin, so why not try it?